your mind and in your body. Find it in your soul. Find synergy and unlock the power and potential within you. A global icon for over 25 years, Synergy supports health-focused living, provides proven nutrition, and innovates to provide unique health solutions. Synergy is built on research, powered by leading nutritionists, scientists, and experts, in-house labs, in vivo and in vitro testing, peer-reviewed studies, and patented combinations. These elements set Synergy apart. Our artisans craft in small batches in our very own award-winning facility, sustained by the sun and certified at the highest standards in the industry. Every Synergy ingredient and supplement gets tested and retested for potency, purity, and accuracy. Minerals, vitamins, herbs, micro and macronutrients. All told, we use over 600 tests to guarantee quality. Thoughtful, intentional, groundbreaking products. As partners with regenerative farmers and fair wage harvesters, Synergy sources globally while making each supplement responsibly. And Synergy serves in the communities where it's sourced and sold, giving where there's need through the Impact Foundation. The world is changing. The future is happening. Mind, body, and spirit, connected and empowered. Find out more. Find Synergy.